Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Today we are going to solve the question, find the top 3 and bottom 3 countries by total amount of purchases. At the same time we have top 3 and bottom 3, so let's try to use the concept of CTE here. So before writing the full solution, first let's build the CTE for top 3. Here we will use the two tables, customers and invoices, as we need total amount of purchases and the countries. So we'll use a left join again on customer ID. Now what do we want? One we need is country, so let's use c dot country. Then we need total amount of purchases, so I'll use round directly and use the total field. Now here we will be using window function. We will use order by and sum of, and let's use rn. So let's see the output from here. Before that, let's do a group by. You can see the output, the lowest one and the highest one. So since we need the top 3, I'll use a DESC here. You can see US, Canada and so on. We have row number assigned to each for the purchases. Now we want the top 3 only, so let's use limit, and we can see we have limited to top 3. Now we can create this as a CTE simply, and then for bottom 3 we will use the same concepts, just going to be, instead of descending we'll keep it ascending. So I'll remove the DSC. By default it's ascending and top 3 is applied. Now since the CTs are created, I just want to provide a result that has all of them, and this time we can simply skip the row number field. Select country, total purchases from top 3 union all, and use this same thing from bottom 3. Let's see the output. So you can see the top 3 US, Canada, France, the bottom 3 Belgium, Spain, Argentina with their total purchases. If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.